Hey, future homeowners and savvy investors. Have you ever dreamed of living for free? Well, today we're turning that dream into a reality. I'm here to unveil the secrets of house hacking, the game changer in real estate that can have you living rent-free. Stay tuned, because this strategy isn't just for the wealthy or experienced investors. It's for anyone ready to make a smart move in today's market. So, what is house hacking? Imagine buying a multi-unit property. You live in one unit and rent out the others. The rent from your tenants can cover your mortgage and expenses, essentially letting you live for free. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But how do you start? Let's break it down. First, finding the right property. You're looking for a multi-family home. Duplexes, triplexes, or fourplexes are perfect for beginners. The key? Location, location, location. You want a place where rental demand is high, ensuring those units won't stay vacant. Next up, financing. Many think you need a hefty down payment to get started, but that's not always the case. FHA loans, for example, can be a golden ticket for house hackers, requiring as little as 3.5% down. House hacking is all about leveraging what you have. There are numerous loan programs out there designed to help first-time buyers and investors alike get into the market. Now let's talk about being a landlord. It's not just collecting rent checks. You'll be responsible for maintenance, finding good tenants, and keeping your units compliant with local laws. But don't let that scare you. With the right tools and mindset, you can manage your property like a pro. Wondering if it really works? Let's hear from those who've done it. House hacking changed my life. My tenants cover all my living expenses, allowing me to save and invest more. It was intimidating at first, but now I can't imagine living any other way. The financial freedom is unbeatable. House hacking isn't just a strategy, it's a lifestyle that opens doors to financial freedom, investment opportunities, and yes, living rent-free. Ready to dive in? Start by researching your local market, and don't be afraid to take the leap. Because in real estate, like in life, the biggest risks often bring the greatest rewards. If you're pumped to learn more about making smart real estate moves, hit that subscribe button, share this video with a friend, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions on house hacking. Until next time, keep dreaming big and hacking your way to financial freedom.